What's up, guys? Alex, Bay Cities Construction. I'm here at one of my job sites. We're going to be doing a full kitchen reno. We're going to be removing the structural wall. This entire wall is going to come down. We're going to put a big steel beam, the entire length. It's over 30 foot long. It's going to be probably one of the largest steel beams we've installed for wall removal. So you can see this is a shear panel here, shear over there, shear here, and shear there. We're going to remove that. We're going to be bracing up all of these, the second floor of the structure, and be putting in some shoring walls. This is the wall that adjoins the garage. That's going to be where the sink's going to go. We're removing this wall here. Got a lot of work here, guys. We're in the middle of demo, so kind of a little bit messy right now. Anyway, guys, we'll make sure that we keep you posted on the progress on this job.